Hello and welcome. Here at Hydrospares, we realise that when it comes to choosing the correct pipe or fittings needed for your requirements, it can sometimes become a little confusing, especially when it comes to selecting the correct plumbing size. My name's John, and over the next few minutes I hope to help you avoid the common mistakes made by so many when selecting the pipe and fitting size they need. The first step is to measure your actual pipe's OD, or outside diameter, in millimetres. Using a set of verniers is normally the quickest and most accurate way. If you do not have access to a set of verniers, take a sheet of paper and wrap it around the pipe. Mark where the paper overlaps. Straighten out and measure the distance in millimetres. This will now give you the pipe's circumference. Divide this figure by 3.14, which will provide you the pipe's diameter. It's important to measure the pipe's diameter accurately, as the differences between the metric and imperial sizes only differ by a few millimetres. It's also important to ensure that you measure the actual pipe and not any pipe fittings. This can be difficult sometimes due to the fittings being glued up against each other. If you are replacing a metric size pipe, the diameter should match exactly. Common metric sizes are 32mm, 40mm, 50mm and 63mm. Metric plumbing is not that common in domestic hot tubs and is used more often in pools and commercial spas. If you are replacing an imperial size pipe, this is where it gets a little confusing. Imperial sizes are based on the bore of the pipe, and their sizes have no direct correlation to their outside diameter. If you are replacing a 33mm pipe, you will have a 1-inch pipe. If your pipe measures 48mm, you will have a 1.5-inch pipe. 60mm and you'll have a 2-inch pipe, 73mm, 2.5-inch pipe. Imperial pipe sizes are most commonly used in domestic hot tubs. That's almost about it for this video. Remember, if you would like to see a full table of pipe outside diameters and what they equate to, see our website help article, Plumbing Sizes Explained, or use the Refine By feature on our site when in the pipe section. Just click on the filter Actual Pipe OD and select your size. Finally, a quick note on pipe schedule or pipe class. Imperial pipes manufactured in the USA will go by a schedule, whereas a European manufactured pipe has a class rating. Both are just a set of standards for the pipe pressure rating, which will have an effect on the wall thickness of the pipe, without affecting the OD. The thicker the wall, the higher the pressure rating. In most domestic hot tub or pool settings, the pressures used are well below the entry level of pressure ratings for the PVC pipe. Full information and ratings will be visible on our site within the product page. We hope you found this video helpful, and should you have any questions or need further help, get in touch, either by our live chat, email, phone or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.